perfect, perfect, perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm about to try a braid out on my hair, and right now I'm just sectioning my hair and I'm gonna start with the back. So the first product I'm gonna add is some castor oil, and I always add some type of oil to my hair just because my hair love oil. So I usually add castor oil, olive oil, or argan oil. So next I'm gonna add some twisting cream, and this one is from Cream of Nature. It's the Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. So I'm just gonna apply that to my hair and move on to some homemade flaxseed gel. If you guys want to see how I made my gel, comment down below. So yes, I'm just gonna apply that to my hair before I begin braiding. So once my hair is nice and detangled, I'm going to start braiding my hair, and I'm doing a 3-strand twist, and I'm going to braid about 70 or maybe 80% of my hair, and I'm going to twirl the ends to get a nice curl.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now.
So it's the next day and I didn't film this part. I'm just showing you guys how I selected my hair. I did pin it with some bobby pins in order to stretch my hair some more. So right now I'm going to remove that and get ready to unravel my hair. Before I start unraveling, I'm going to add some oil to my hands and to my hair. And the oil that I'm using is jojoba oil. You can use whichever oil you like, and this is supposed to help prevent frizz. So right now I'm showing you guys the definition. The flaxseed gel really did its thing. I really love how my hair looks right now. And this is where it gets annoying. Whenever I try to separate my hair, I end up with so much frizz. I don't know why or what I'm doing wrong, but you guys are gonna see that this define twist out is gonna turn into a frizz ball in no time.
Guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby
Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about. From the front my hair looks okay, but when I turn around you guys are gonna see it look like a hot mess, and it actually looked better on camera than it did in person. So I'm not gonna lie, after I filmed this video I just put my hair in a bun because I was so annoyed at this point. But if you guys have any tips, leave me a comment down below. So that concludes my video for today. Give me a thumbs up for my effort guys. I tried, I really did. So I hope you guys still enjoyed this video, and to everyone that is new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
We done now, no, it's no